Hello friends, my name is Anita Hulsurkar and my channel name is Rasayanic Video. So our today's topic is stereochemistry. In stereochemistry, the small bit is RS system. Okay, today's topic is RS system. Okay, in RS system, some rules are defined here. Okay, some rules are defined here. Either it will be CIP rules or priority rules. Okay. So now first is the priority rules, or we can say that CIP rules. What is CIP? Can, Ingold or and Prelog system rules. Okay, Can, Ingold and Prelog rules. These are the names. So now first priority rule is, the priority is given based on the greater atomic number. The first rule is given to the greater atomic number. The first priority is given to the greater atomic number. Now second, in that highest atomic number, highest priority. Highest atomic number is assigned by highest priority and the lowest atomic number is assigned by lowest priority. Okay. So now second rule we have to take, if you move in a clockwise direction. Okay, if you move in a clockwise direction, then the configuration of chiral center is R. What is meant by R and what is meant by S? So now let us take, R means rectus in Latin word and S means sinister. Okay, S means sinister, that is rectus meaning right and sinister means left. Is it clear? If you move in a clockwise direction, okay, in a clockwise direction, the configuration of chiral center is R. We take some examples that we could go in easy way. Okay, if you move in an anti-clockwise direction, then the configuration of chiral center is yes means sinister. Sinister meaning left. Sinister and rectus, these are the Latin words. Okay. So now third rule is, if the least priority group is in above side. Okay. You know that what is meant by above? This wedge type. This is above side. Okay. Carbon is in above, then the rotation changes. What does it mean? If the least priority group is mentioned in the molecule, that the rotation changes from R to S or S to R. So now we take some examples, in that we can go in easy way. Okay. So now here are some examples we have taken here. So now first example is CCl, H, NH2 and here the group is CH3. Okay. So now how we can calculate the R system, or R configuration or S configuration? So now give the first rule. What is the first rule? Give the highest atomic number to the highest priority. So now here, which is the highest atomic number? What is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. And chlorine? Chlorine is 17. Okay. So now how we can rotate from highest to lowest? Okay. This is the atomic number. Okay. So now give the numbering from here. Chlorine. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay. And this is fourth priority. That is, this is least atomic number. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Okay. So now how we can rotate? In 1, 2, 3 and this 4. In which direction is this? In clockwise direction. Okay. In clockwise direction we have rotated this. So now in clockwise direction which configuration will come? R configuration. Okay. So now in this we have some short trick, that is in clockwise direction, that is R, and in anti-clockwise direction, that is S. So now short trick is when in the molecule the direction in clockwise direction, it will become R, and in anti-clockwise, yes, that is clear answer. Get it? Got it? Clear answer. Clear answer. CL means what? Clockwise R configuration, and this is anti-clockwise S configuration. Okay? Now clear this answer. So now clockwise direction, what will come? R configuration. Okay? This is the R configuration. Did you get it? Yes. Now second example. Okay? Second example कसं करायचं? Chlorine, same. Here chlorine, nitrogen, deuterium, and this is hydrogen. Okay? Deuterium is the hydrogen of isotopic. Isotopic of hydrogen is deuterium, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? How it will rotate? From clockwise direction. Okay? From clockwise direction. So what it will come? R configuration. Clockwise Cl and R. Okay? So now third example. Here what it will come? Oxygen. Oxygen is directly attached to this wedge line. Okay? So now here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3 carbon. So now the first priority we have to give to oxygen atom. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Yes? Can you tell? Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. So now here and carbons. So now which atom will get the highest priority to the oxygen atom? Okay. So now it will the number comes first. This is second, third, and this is least priority group, that is fourth priority group. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now rotate. In which direction I have rotated this? In anti-clockwise direction. Okay? In anti-clockwise direction I have rotated this. Then what is the anti-clockwise direction? In anti-clockwise direction the S configuration is come. S configuration. Anti, yes. Clockwise R. Cl R. Anti, An, yes. Yes, this is short trick. Okay, now fourth example, carbon. This is carbon. This is CH. Here triple bond. This is pH. What is pH? Phenyl group is present like this. This is also bigger group. But in bigger group, all carbons are present. Okay, all carbons are present, and the atomic number of carbon is 6 and the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So, first priority is given to the oxygen atoms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How it will rotate? In anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction, the S configuration will come. Okay, now S configuration will come. So now we'll take some another example, that is the hydrogen is in from above side. Okay. This is hydrogen. Then how it will come? Nitrogen has atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and atomic number of oxygen is 8. Then which priority is given to which atom? Oxygen atom first. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Then how it will rotate? Like this. Okay, like this. This is anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction, and in anti-clockwise direction, what will be the answer? Yes configuration. Okay, this is anti-clockwise, yes. Anti-clockwise, yes. But our lower priority group, that is lowest priority group, is on above side, that is in wedge line. Hydrogen is the lowest atomic, has the lowest atomic number and is in above side, so the rotation changes. So the rotation changes and S will become R. And S will become R. So the final answer is R. Okay. So now we have to take some examples and we have to take some chirality. Okay. So now these are the examples that we have to take rules for Fichte, that is, see here examples. प्रीवियस एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आणि आताच्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स सेम आहेत. आर आणि एस कॉन्फिगरेशन हा आपला सेम पद्धतीने द्यायचा आहे. फक्त एवढाच फरक आहे की लिस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप हा व्हर्टिकल साइड मध्ये आहे का हॉरिझॉन्टल साइड मध्ये आहे, तर ते आपल्याला इथे बघायचं आहे. तर चला बघूया. नाव बी आर आहे बरोबर. बी आर, CH3H आणि OH. These are the 4 groups is initiated in this molecule in Fichte production. So now in Br, what is the atomic number of Br? That is 35. Oh, that is the more atomic number is this. So here first priority is given to bromine. First priority is given to bromine. This is first. Then next, what will come? Oxygen atom. This is second priority group. This is third. CH3 carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, so it will become third number. And fourth priority group, that is least priority group, is given to the hydrogen. Okay, so now how it will rotate? From 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this will rotate. Okay. In which direction it will rotate? Clockwise direction it will rotate. Okay. In clockwise direction it will rotate. Now we have to see that hydrogen is or least priority group in which angle is there? In horizontal line or in vertical line? In vertical line. Okay. Then how it will give? Vertical. Least priority group is here in vertical side, so we have to write vertical. And in which direction it will rotate? From clockwise direction, VC. And in clockwise direction, which configuration will come? R configuration will come. Exactly. Okay. VCR. What is the VCR? Vertically clockwise R. Vertically clockwise R. Now we take second example, same as it is, but here same condition, same priority group, that is only the Br is changed in horizontal line. Okay, this Br is in vertical side and this Br is in horizontal side. Okay. So now Br will get first priority, second priority OH group, third priority CH3 group, and the fourth priority will be given to hydrogen. Okay, fourth priority is given to hydrogen. Then how it will rotate? Okay, from this side. Which direction is this? Anti-clockwise direction is this. Which direction? Anti-clockwise direction is this. So Now the fourth priority group. Okay, fourth priority group, that is least priority group, is in vertical line. Then we have to write V. Okay, so now it is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction A. Then automatically it will come yes. Okay, V A yes. What is V A S? Vertical anti-clockwise yes configuration. So now third example, same, but here priority group changes its direction. Here lowest priority group in vertical side, but here lowest priority group is in horizontal side. That is same. Here it will become first number OH, second CS3, third and hydrogen, fourth priority group. Okay, so now how it will rotate? 1 2 3 4 in clockwise direction, but here the fourth priority group is in horizontal line, so the first letter will come H. Okay, H, horizontal, and in which direction it will rotate? Clockwise direction. H, C. Then automatically it will become R. Clockwise R, only horizontal is different in fixture projection. In fixture projection, the vertical and horizontal line is added. Okay, so now the fourth example, that is here same atoms are present. Then give numbering first, second, third and fourth. Okay, then how it will rotate? First, second, third, in which this least priority group hydrogen is present in horizontal line, so first letter will come H for horizontal, which is this anti-clockwise direction A. Okay, anti-clockwise direction A, then automatically it will come yes configuration. Okay, automatically it will come yes configuration. So now these are the two last examples we have to take today. Okay, so now these are, which compound is this? Which compound is this? These three molecules are same, opposite to the three molecules are here also same, and this compound is called as meso compound. This compound is called as meso compound, and it is mirror images of each other when we distribute the sigma plane of symmetry. We will take this topic in another video. Okay. So now we can continue here with R configuration and S configuration. Here we can clear it in easy way. Okay. So now here oxygen first priority. Okay, 1 2, here the bigger group is there, therefore it is 3, and here 4. Yes, got it? 1 2 3 and 4. How it will rotate? Like this lines. Hydrogen least priority group is present in horizontal side, so H, anti-clockwise direction A, automatically it will become ES configuration. Okay, so now here also we can take CEL, H, OH, CHO, H, CHO, OH. this is the carbon. Okay, in this the carbon is present, and this part we are taking here. So now here, which priority it will become? First priority, second priority, and this is bigger group is third priority, and the hydrogen is in fourth priority. Okay, then how it will rotate? Like this direction. Hydrogen is in horizontal side, so it will become H. Okay, so it will become H, and how is the rotating direction? Anti-clockwise direction. No, sorry, clockwise direction and R. Clockwise direction R. That is HCr. Now the second example is CHO, HOH. Here also first priority group is oxygen, OH atom. Okay. Second priority group CHO, and the whole molecule is third priority group, and the least priority group is hydrogen. Then how it will rotate? Like this. Which direction is this? Anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction, yes, configuration is present. Okay. In that here, carbon is present. First priority, second priority, this is third priority, and this is fourth priority. How it will rotate? Like this. This is also yes configuration. Okay, so these are the examples we have taken here from the rules of Fischer projection. These are the topic we have discussed here, and जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन येत जातील. ओके, जे जे मी व्हिडिओ क्रिएट करणार आहे ते तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन येत जातील. आणि जर तुम्हाला काही डाऊट असेल, इफ यू हॅव एनी डाऊट regarding this video, then you should put a comment in a comment box. Okay, thank you, bye bye.